Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Bloom dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bloom application on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the sign up with Google as well as the sign up button. And if you already have an account, you can tap on login. Now use either one of these methods to sign up for a new account, and you will be asked to enter your preferred username. Type in your username and proceed forward and choose your gender, and then select your purpose. After moving forward from this page, you can choose who you're looking for and then click on next once again. Then enter your date of birth. Proceed forward once again, and you can tap on the yes button to allow access for your location. You will now be asked to enable notifications, which you can turn on, and proceed forward once again. You will now be asked to upload your photo. Tap on the plus icon to upload a picture from your gallery. After uploading your picture, you will be asked to fill up further information about yourself. You may complete these now, or you may tap on the close button at the top right corner, and now you will be taken into your newly created account on the Bloom dating application right away. In order to secure your account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then tap on the what's your email address option to link your account with an email address. After entering your preferred email address, tap on the OK button. Now just log in to the email address that you just used, and you will see the confirm now button, which you can tap on, and now your email address has been linked with your profile. And you will also be provided the password to your account, which you can later change later on through your settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Bloom dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.